Hello everyone. I'm starting a new subject that is Microsoft Power BI. So let's see what is Power BI. So Power BI is a business intelligence tool which is used to analyze data and convert that data into in a form of visual where different reports can be created or dashboards can be created. In other language, we can say that Power BI is a collection of components. So let's see what are the components of Power BI. First component is Power Query. Power Query. So Power Query is ETL tool which will transform data or load the data, or it can be used for cleaning the data where we have blank records, null values, or different unclean data. We can clean data in our Power Query. So Power Query will be used to remove that all the null values or unclean data. Second component is Power Pivot. What Power Pivot does, if we have multiple data sources and we want to connect them to make a relationship between them, then we can use Power Pivot. Power Pivot is mainly used to make connection between one data source to different data source. And third is Power View. What Power View does is it can helps to create 250 plus charts in our Power BI desktop. The charts can be like bar charts, line chart, column chart, or many chart can be there. So different charts can be useful for creating dashboards or our reports. So after creating charts in Power View, we want to share our report. Our report is all created, all set, and we want to share our reports across the world. So for that, we have one component that is Power BI service. With the help of Power BI service, we can share our report or dashboard across the world with whom we can share. It helps the user to communicate via that report. So the Power BI service is used to share our report. And why we should go for Power BI? What are the useful things? For that we can move to Power BI, not to Tableau or anything. So because Power BI have maximum features than Tableau. Tableau is also used to create the report, but Power BI have maximum features. In this Power BI, visuals are more. We can have different charts. We can create our report with different charts, and it is a cheapest tool. If we are buying for a team, then it should be the very cheapest tool, and it have data connectivity. Like Power BI have capability to import data from 100 and more data source. We can bring data from Excel, Oracle, Azure, SQL. There are 100 plus more data source from where we can extract our data for creating our report or dashboards. So the third question is, how Power BI works. How Power BI works. So let's consider our Power BI as a package. This is one our package, that is Power BI. So in this Power BI package, we can divide our package in two different sets. First one is Power BI desktop, and second is Power BI service. Power BI service. So let's see, when we have Power BI desktop, what we have Power BI service. So we have divided our package in two parts. So what Power BI desktop does, It is a developing tool where we use to create our report. We can use different visuals and create our report. It is a desktop application which can be download or installed. And Power BI service is an online version. It is a cloud version which is used for sharing and collaboration. We can share our report through Power BI service. With the help of Power BI service, if we want to share with the different peoples, we can share with Power BI service. Suppose when we have to create a dashboard, we need some data. We pull our data from many sources like Excel, CSV, SQL, SharePoint, PDF, OneDrive. So our Power BI have different importing data, so different multiple option to import our data like Excel, SQL, Azure, different data source. After taking the data, we can do data modeling by creating different charts and maps. After creating report, we want to publish in online service. We want to publish in like a Power BI service, and we want to show to different peoples that we have created our report, and please see that report. So with the help of Power BI service, we can share our report. Best thing of Power BI is it is completely automated. We don't have to do anything. Power BI is completely automated. That's all from my side for today. This is part 1, and soon I will bring the part 2. Thank you.